Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you. Happy and well. So in today's video, classical and cozy table runners. Crochet table runners brings a handmade touch to any table. This design is simple, elegant and made with soft cotton. Each stitch is carefully worked to create a beautiful lace pattern perfect for dining tables, coffee tables or even a console tables. A crochet tables runners make every meal feel warm and special. Tail lace design. This table runner is all about detail. Fine crochet stitches creative a lace-like look, making it perfect for wedding parties or special dinners. It delicate but strong, giving your table and timeless charm. Crochet lace is a piece of art that never goes out of style. Flower crochet runner. Flower is crocheted, always look beautiful. This table runner has flower motifs joined together. Each flower stitches by hands one by one. The result are a cheerful, colorful table runners that feel like spring all years long. Beginner's friendly design. If you are new to crochet, start with the simple table runners. Use base stitches like chain and double crochet. Work it stitch row until you reach the length you want. Even methods can make a beautiful piece in just a few evenings. Rustic and farmhouse style. These crochet runners use natural color yarn to create a warm rustic farmhouse look. It's paired beautiful with wooden tables and simple decorate. Handmade runners like this turn and ordinary tables into a cozy, inviting space. Mix of color. Crochet runner don't have to be plain. You can mix your colorful creative strips. Pattern. Bright colors are perfect for summer tables. With soft pastel or cream, work beautiful for a clean, cozy vibe. Festive and holiday looks. Crochet table runner are perfect for holidays. To use red, green and golden yarns to make a Christmas runner to